55 years has passed since the birth of Mistral's legacy. They have brought entry-level and heritage fans in Singapore's market. Back in 1968, Mistral offered reasonable-priced fans that are well-made air movement products for the everyday Singaporean. Mistral started off with the green-colored box fan, which was the most iconic product in the 70s and 80s. Mistral didn't always sell consumer products from the beginning, but started with supplying ceiling fans and exhaust fans to factories and electrical hardware dealers. In 2001, Mistral coined a path by introducing promoters and selling their fans, as they were able to explain their features well instead of reciting the price tag. Additionally, Mistral achieved another milestone by being the first to bring into Singapore 3D oscillation fan technology. Mistral believes that products follows people. As technology and fans evolved, they evolved with the times.